Cinnamon is utilized in almost every household. It is utilized in many beauty tips and health-related problems in addition to food because it has numerous benefits. Cinnamon includes polyphenol oxidants, which are helpful to human health when used in the cold. Benefits of cinnamon. Number 1. Cold and flu. A cold or flu, nasal congestion, or a runny nose are all symptoms of a cold or flu. Cinnamon tea should be had in the morning before breakfast and before bedtime. It has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Number 2. Cough. Coughing and sore throats are common in the winter, so mix a teaspoon of honey with cinnamon powder to soothe the throat. Cinnamon powder contains polyenzymes that soothe the throat, which is beneficial in the treatment of all forms of coughs. Number 3. Cold causes dryness. In the cold, children's and adults' skin gets dry, causing it to break. It has anti-dry radicals in it. If you have this problem, drink cinnamon tea every day and once a week mix cinnamon powder with coconut oil and apply to the skin. Then wash with lukewarm water after half an hour. Drought will not be an issue in this manner. Number 4. Immunity. It is critical to have a healthy immune system in this age of the coronavirus. Cinnamon also has immune boosting properties. So make sure to include cinnamon in your regular diet and drink cinnamon infused coffee to boost your immune system. Number 5. Headache. Apply cinnamon paste on the forehead if you have a headache. It's a very soothing component. It contains vitamin D, magnesium, coenzyme Q10, and melatonin, all of which help to relieve headaches quickly.